video I'm going to show you the Aquabot MRT 2500 robotic pool cleaner. So included with the cleaner is a quick start guide. You also have a guide for the Aquabot app. You can start and stop the cleaner through the app. It also comes with a warranty card. The MRT 2500 comes with a 2-year bumper-to-bumper warranty. And also included is this float and the guide for the float. If you notice that the unit has any difficulty reaching the water line, you can install the second float. And the cleaner comes with this very easy to use power unit. You have the power button here. You can select for 2 different run times. You also have a Wi-Fi button here in the corner if you're going to use the app to control the cleaner. You can download the Aquabot app from the Apple App Store or from Google Play. With this app you can turn on and off the cleaner. You can also select the pool size with this app. So once you install the Aquabot app on your cell phone, you can use the app to turn on the cleaner. You can also use the app to set the runtime. One of the key features of this cleaner is this top-loading debris canister. It easily comes off. You just pull up here and just snap out the debris canister. And this canister is designed to filter down to an industry-leading 2 microns. And everything easily snaps back together. It also features this large handle on the back so you can easily retrieve it from your pool. And on the back of the cleaner is this hyper scrubbing brush. This brush is designed to move twice as fast as your standard robotic pool cleaner brush, helping it loosen up dirt and debris. And the MRT 2500 comes with 50 feet of cable. Also on the cable is this swivel. This swivel is designed to prevent any kind of cable tangling as the cleaner is moving in the pool. Okay, you would just set the cleaner in the center of your pool. Let it sink to the bottom. You simply plug the cable in. And then you would plug the controller into a GFI outlet. Simply hit the on-off button here. Then you would select your pool size. This is for a larger pool, and this is for a smaller pool. The MRT 2500 is safe for all pool surface types. On the bottom of the cleaner there is hyper scrubbing jets to help loosen up dirt and debris. It's also designed to climb and clean your pool walls as long as you have a 90-degree slope. And as the cleaner is running in the pool, it'll pump 70 gallons per minute, acting as a secondary filter to your pool. It also features Aquabot's Never Stuck system, so it won't get stuck in any step areas or corners of the pool. Okay, when the cleaning cycle is over, go ahead and pull it by the cord. Grab the handle and pull it out of the pool. Okay, let me show you the debris I got out of this pool here. You can see it does a great job with dirt and leaf debris. So the MRT 2500 would be a great choice for a robotic pool cleaner for your pool. It's a very simple robotic cleaner to operate. It's lightweight and it cleans down to 2 microns. And it will leave your pool spotless every week. InyoPools.com is a proud sponsor of swimming pool tips and have been helping pool owners find the right pool parts since 2001. With over 50,000 pool parts in stock, order online today and have your parts delivered right to your door.